The Supreme Court, in a landmark verdict, has ordered that stray dogs in Delhi-NCR will be moved to shelters and not be released back to the streets or public places. A bench of Justices Pardiwala and Mahadevan ruled that the Delhi government must ensure dog shelters are created that can house about 5,000 dogs. Sterilization and immunization of the dogs must take place in these shelters. But what are the current laws on stray dogs, and how do other countries ensure there are no strays on the streets? Let's begin by telling you about the current legislation, which interestingly is completely contradictory to what the Supreme Court has ruled now. The Animal Birth Control Dog Rules of 2001, enacted under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, states that sterilization and vaccination are the only legal means of stabilizing or reducing stray dog populations and eliminating the risk of rabies. It's important to highlight here that as per this law, relocation of stray dogs is strictly prohibited. Under the Stray Dog Management Rules of 2001, it's also illegal for an individual, an RWA, which is a Residents' Welfare Association, or an estate management to remove or relocate dogs. Dogs have to be sterilized and vaccinated and then returned to the same area. They cannot be removed by the municipality either. That changes, of course, now with the Supreme Court deciding that the dogs will be removed from their localities and moved to shelters, and the onus will be on the state to ensure adequate resources. But what do other countries really do to address the stray dog menace? Countries across the world have dealt with stray dog populations using a mix of legislation, of public education, sterilization, and also community engagement. India also perhaps can draw valuable lessons from successful models that balance animal welfare, public health, and importantly, human-animal coexistence. Türkiye, for example, which also had a stray dog problem, enacted a law in July 2024 to remove approximately 4 million stray dogs. Under this legislation, local authorities must capture the dogs, vaccinate them against diseases, sterilize them, then place them up for adoption. The law also authorizes euthanasia for dogs that are sick, aggressive, terminally ill, or pose a health risk for that matter to humans, so those with rabies too. In the Netherlands, organizations have worked over the years to eradicate stray dogs through what's referred to as a CNVR program: catch, neuter, vaccinate, return. Organized vaccination and sterilization reduce the number of strays on the streets. So if a stray dog is spotted, it's removed and sheltered until adoption, and all these steps have been taken up. This is what ensured that Netherlands became the first country in the world to achieve a stray dog-free status. The Supreme Court order for Delhi, for the National Capital Region, has sparked off a huge debate on how India needs to also address the stray dog menace.